Whether you're a woodworker, a mechanic, or a hobbyist, a functional workshop is essential. You know, there are a lot of different ways to set up a workshop, but today I'm going to show you how you can maximize your available space and build a practical workshop in your garage. First, the most important part of any workshop is a solid work surface. You'll need a workbench that's large enough for you to have plenty of room to spread out and sturdy enough to support large bench tools. It's also important that your workbench be at a comfortable working height. For ease of setup, sturdiness, and mobility, we purchased a workbench, but if you prefer building a workbench, there are numerous options to fit your space. For one of these options, check out our DIY workbench how-to on Lowe's.com. Now that you have a solid workbench, think about how you're going to set up the rest of your shop to maximize your space. Use an open storage system, like a pegboard and hooks, to keep the tools you use most often within reach. Adding bins to the pegboard is a great way to keep up with loose screws or nails. To keep track of larger sets of hand tools, a multi-drawer tool cabinet is a great way to stay organized. If you plan to be working away from your workbench, a tool cabinet with wheels will allow you to have all of your hand tools within reach, no matter where you're working. When shopping for a multi-drawer tool cabinet, pay attention to the drawer height. That way you can make sure there is space for all of your tools. Finally, choosing a tool cabinet that fits under your workbench will help you to maximize the space in your workshop. Now that you have your hand tools organized, you need to think about where you're going to store your larger power tools. A sturdy two-door tool cabinet is a great choice. Adjustable shelves let you customize the storage to accommodate any of your larger power tools. Choosing a tool cabinet with openings in the back allows you to create a battery charging station so you can keep your tool battery chargers organized in one place. Now that we've talked about the basics of putting together a great workshop, let's talk about some of the accessories you'll need to make your workshop as functional as possible. The first thing you'll need is a good stool or chair to use when you're working at your workbench. If you stand when working, a cushioned floor mat will reduce the stress on your back and knees. A heavy-duty power strip with a built-in circuit breaker is a must. The circuit breaker will automatically shut off the power strip to protect your tools and reduce fire risk. Lastly, you'll want to find a good set of portable work lights. A set of portable work lights with LED bulbs will provide plenty of light while also being energy efficient, lightweight, and easy to store. Just remember, there is no single right way to set up a workshop. It's up to you to decide what works best for you. If you have any questions at all, just ask the Red Vests at your local Lowe's tool department. And for project ideas and how-to videos, go to youtube.com/Lowe's to see our extensive library.